3 seconds. In the present case, the appellant has challenged the judgment delivered by the learned district court, stating that the findings recorded by the trial court are contrary to law and based on an incorrect appreciation of evidence. The primary contention of the appellant is that the court failed to consider the material documents placed on record, which clearly indicated that the respondent had violated the terms of the agreement executed between the parties. It is further submitted that the trial court proceeded on assumptions rather than concrete evidence, thereby causing grave injustice to the appellant. The respondent, on the other hand, has argued that the agreement was executed voluntarily without any coercion or undue influence, and that all obligations mentioned therein was fulfilled in a timely manner. The respondent contends that the appellant's allegations are baseless and made only to delay the proceedings. The respondent has also drawn attention to various correspondences exchanged between the parties, which show that the appellant was fully aware of the actions taken and had raised no objections at the relevant time. After hearing both sides, this court is of the considered opinion that certain important aspects require re-examination. The trial court did not properly evaluate the authenticity of the disputed documents, nor did it adequately address the inconsistencies in the testimony of key witnesses. The law requires that every finding must be supported by reliable evidence, and any doubt must be resolved after giving sufficient opportunity to both parties to present their case. In the present matter, this procedure does not appear to have been followed strictly. It is also observed that the trial court overlooked the fact that the agreement between the parties contained a specific clauses relating to termination and compensation. The case is therefore remanded to the trial court, which shall reconsider the entire evidence, allow both parties to submit additional documents if required, and dispose of the matter promptly within appropriate period.